Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and I've got the Insta360 Ace Pro here, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the battery and memory card into this camera so you can jump right into filming. It's really simple to do, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. So if you're looking for any extra accessories for your Insta360 Ace Pro, I'll have all my favorites listed below in the description, from the selfie stick to the multi battery charger, the microphone adapter, extra batteries, and my favorite memory cards. Let's go ahead and dive right into this. First off, we'll start out with the battery. So taking your Insta360 Ace Pro, we're gonna turn it to the side here, and you'll see the large battery door here. And there's a small little arrow right there, and you do need to push down on this little lip, and it does require a fair bit of force to open. So we'll go ahead and push down on that, and you'll see a little strip there at the top indicating it's okay to open it up. We'll open it up like that. There is a seal here because the camera is waterproof, so it might have a little bit of tension on it. Now, once we've got it open, we're gonna take our battery and we're gonna hold it just like that. So the little notch here on the battery is gonna face the bottom of the camera like that. And we're gonna slide it in to the opening just like that. Make sure it goes in all the way. If it doesn't go in all the way, you likely put it in upside down. Then we're gonna go ahead and close our battery door. So you can actually just push it shut. You don't need to pull back on that lever, and it should snap into place just like that. Make sure you're not seeing that little yellow strip there or orange strip. When you do that, you want that fully to disappear because you want the camera to remain watertight. Now for the memory card, it goes in on the other side here. You're gonna see a little door, and there's a little raised area there with some grip on it and a small little arrow, and you can go ahead and slide that down. It does again require a fair bit of force. Push in a little bit and slide it down. It'll pop down like that. And now you can go ahead and open that door just like that. And behind there, you're gonna see two little spots here. One is for your USB-C charger, and the other one there is for your micro SD memory card. Now we're gonna grab our memory card, and it's gonna go in this direction. So you wanna hold it like that with the little notches facing up compared to your camera. And we're gonna put it right into the memory card slot like that, and it'll slide in. Now, you need to kind of get your nail or something on it, and we're gonna push it in all the way, and you can push it right past the opening there and it'll stay in, and it is spring loaded. So if you do wanna release it, you do need to push it in again and it'll release out a little bit. And we'll go ahead and push it in there just like that. And then once we've done that, we're gonna close the door all the way and then slide it up, and it should go back right into place. You do want to make sure the doors are sealed again because the camera is waterproof when they're closed properly. And you are done. You've successfully installed your battery and memory card in your Insta360 Ace Pro.